Hey Steph, can you help my YouTube channel grow? That's a question that I get asked all the time. And today I'm going to give you my best tips on how to promote your YouTube channel for free, especially if you're super busy. Everything I'm about to share are strategies that I've used to organically grow my YouTube channel. The Parisi Pack. Let's dive into this. Tip number 1 on how to help your YouTube channel grow. Use SEO to help it rank organically. Use SEO writing tactics, keywords to keep the search engines happy. Just don't forget to sound like a human as you do it. Check out this video on how I get my YouTube channel ranking on the first page of Google search for a deep dive on this subject. I also use a tool called TubeBuddy that helps me find the best keywords for my videos. And I have a link to it in the description of this video. Tip number 2 on how to grow your YouTube channel, especially if you're super busy, is be where your industry is. Where are your people hanging out online? You want to be involved in their community where they're at, but it could be Facebook, it could be TikTok. Be smart with where you show up and provide real value there so you get results. Choosing the best platform is part of niching down in your brand. Check out this video on the riches are in the niches to learn more about this topic. Hanging out where your people are at will naturally help your YouTube channel grow faster. How to help your YouTube channel grow organically. Tip number 3, create more exciting and enticing thumbnails. Your YouTube thumbnail is the first thing that viewers see before deciding whether or not to click on your video. And they're key to grabbing attention and getting that click. For any topic that people are searching for, they're going to see a bunch of different video options. So make your YouTube thumbnail the one they want to click on. Check out this tutorial on how to create a well-designed YouTube thumbnail that attracts viewers and is going to increase your engagement. Tip number 4 on how to grow your YouTube channel organically and passively. Send it to your email list. What I love about email marketing is that it doesn't depend on algorithms or paid ads. 47% of people will open your email just based on the subject line alone. If you want to see how I send out my YouTube video every week to my network, check out this video on stealing my email format, because email marketing definitely isn't dead. If you want to find out the latest and greatest as to why email is so powerful, check out this video. Creating an amazing value-filled YouTube video is just one part of the process. You need to be intentional to get it in front of people as well. Tip number 5 on how to help you grow your YouTube channel is to share it to your Facebook stories. And what I mean by this is to actually share the video itself. Find out in this tutorial how to do it, because that way it's a clickable link inside the story and it takes people right to the YouTube video itself. They don't have to wait to click a poll button for you to send it to them in Messenger or anything like that. Right away, they can go watch the video when they want it. If these tips helped you, go to stephanieparisi.com and click on Create Stories That Sell. And there you'll find my free private Facebook group where I am helping business owners win online every single day and sharing more tips and YouTube strategies for growth. Also, if you want to deep dive into more things right now, check out either of these videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.